Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I package my slime. I package it in like I put it in these things. It's lined with bubble wrap, as you can see. Okay. It says post to, and then it says the name. It says United Kingdom, it says the address, it says Birmingham, and then it says West Midlands. It says Upper something something street. So I'm not going to tell you, but yeah. The first line that, for example, this is just showing you guys someone putting this slime for someone. So they've ordered this blue foam. Oh my god, that sound, man. So first of all, I need to make sure it's a good slime, make sure it doesn't fall out or anything, make sure it's not sticky. Then I put it in the container and seal it with tape. Then I go to the next slime they've ordered and check that out. Oh no, fell. No, this is a bit sticky, so I'm going to fix this, but not right now. I'm gonna just show you. I love sticky slime, man.